Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your REALME C63. So first, what you guys want to do is basically let me unlock my phone. Now here, let's go to settings and now go to the sounds and vibration. Here, make sure that you check your volume levels. So as you guys can see, I'll bring this one over 50%. Now what you guys can also do is clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. So let me show you guys. Here we have the speaker grill right at the bottom and we need to clean it with a soft brush or compressed air, doesn't matter. I recommend you guys using the compressed air. And now what you guys can do is disable Bluetooth to make sure that audio isn't rerouted. So let's go over to Bluetooth and to make sure that it's disabled right here or that no device is connected when it's enabled. Now what you guys can also do is update the software, and for that you need to go to About Phone and click on the REALME UI. After that you will see that your version is either up to date or that there's an update available. And if there is an update available, then I recommend you guys updating it, because staying on the latest version actually decreases the chance of bugs appearing in your system, and it can include the speaker and also the microphone and much more. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.